Sony Recharge hearing aids were only $297.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area.
5341. Again, that's 800-859-5341.
It's literally the last frontier.
The biggest questions that everybody wants to know.
A story of the entire evolution of human civilization.
Absolutely blown away by the natural beauty.
We have a long way to go to uncover all the mysteries of our own planet.
A severe thunderstorm watch is in effect. Currently in our area, 92 degrees under partly cloudy skies. Tonight, strong to severe thunderstorms likely, low 72. Friday, plentiful sunshine. A stray shower or thunderstorm is possible. High 83. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Hey, we've got some big news to share.